Hey everybody, this is Steve Gonzalez, your Las Vegas condo insider, and today I'm in Boulder City, and behind me is the popular breakfast hotspot in Boulder City, the Coffee Cup. It's a family-owned restaurant, great food, awesome atmosphere, and if you live in Las Vegas or visiting Las Vegas, it's just a 30-minute drive east of the city. Boulder City is a fantastic place to come visit, and the Coffee Cup is an awesome place to have breakfast. Let's go check out the restaurant, let's go check out the food, let's go. So there you have it, folks. Boulder City, the Coffee Cup. It's an amazing place. Great breakfast, great food, family restaurant. If you're in town, if you're in Boulder City, you got to come and check out the Coffee Cup. See you guys later.